sir.
Do you know what is this called? Okay, this is called in general. Okay, we are in Revit now, no? We are in Revit, isn't it? Right. Just one random question. Okay, just one random question. I have asked this question even before. Okay, and now I will ask it to you again. Okay, what is Revit?
Revit is a software which is mainly for the architects and engineers.
Okay.
And it does stuff with extreme, it's like extremely specific, and that's why everyone prefers, like, that's the reason why engineers use Revit and not some other software. It's super specific.
Super specific. Okay, good, beautiful. Right, just one random question again. Okay, just another random question. Okay, you know, we were happy till, let's say, till yesterday. We were using something software called AutoCAD.
Yes.
Isn't it? And in AutoCAD, it was, let's say, it was a good software. You could do your work. Everything was good. But then, why did we have the, you know, the 10 headache to come to Revit? Why did we shift to Revit? We were happy there. You know, the full world was happy with AutoCAD. Why did we come to Revit? What speciality is there in Revit that AutoCAD?
Yeah, there's like a lot of specialities. Like AutoCAD is mainly good for only floor plans, whereas Revit is good for floor plans, for perspectives, for 3D modeling, for rendering, for all this, all detailing and everything.
Good answer. Beautiful answer. Okay, but just want to sorry to correct you. In AutoCAD, we can do 3D. You know, we can do walkthroughs. Okay, we can do rendering.
Can we do rendering too?
Yeah, we can. We can. Okay.
Oh,
okay. Just this thing. Okay, but let me just be specific. Okay, you gave a beautiful answer, John. Revit is basically for people who are interested in buildings. Okay, let's say this is. Let's say for architects. Let's say this is just a general answer. Okay, if you're an architect, your first option will go for Revit. Let me give you a small example. Okay, very small example. Okay, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just open AutoCAD for 1 minute. Okay, right. This is AutoCAD, no? Our old friend AutoCAD. Any comments here?
Sir, yes.
Right.
No.
Just one random question to Fatima. Just one random question. Can you see? Okay, let me ask another question again. Before this is like, you know, double question. Okay, who is your AutoCAD trainer? Right. Okay. Did that AutoCAD trainer tell you there was something called as tabs and panels?
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay. Just one random question again to you. You see in home tab, insert tab, blah 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 blah. Okay, can you see any tab or any button or any command telling you there is, like, you know, wall? Where is a wall command? Can you see a wall command in AutoCAD? Wall.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, maybe yes.
I would tell you, you know, when you get it, wake me up. Okay, listen, I tell you one thing. Okay, AutoCAD is like, as what I told you, AutoCAD is a software, it's a general software. Okay, this is a layer walk.
Okay, walls are not here.
No, it is not there. It is not there. Okay, why it is not there? Because AutoCAD, I told you, it is used by many professions, isn't it? Isn't it? An engineer can use it, a civil engineer can use it. It's like a software which is used for everyone. But whereas in Revit, okay, let me just tell you one story. Okay, when you did this drawing in AutoCAD, yes or no? I think I am losing connection. Listen, isn't it? Isn't it? You assumed.
Yes.
I think I am going to listen. You assumed that these lines are walls. You assumed it. Does AutoCAD think it is a wall? No. Isn't it? You are telling, okay, John, you know, from in my eyes, this looks like wall. And I say, okay, fine, it looks like wall. But does AutoCAD tell you it's a wall? No, it does not tell you it's a wall. Yes or no?
Yes.
Type. But when I come to Revit, okay, let's say this one, okay, let's just open let's say we create a new drawing, okay. Let's create a new drawing. Okay. Let's click, okay. There are some tricks here, but there is blank now. So just say, okay. Okay. Metric. Okay, any comments?
No.
Okay, can you see what is written here? No, here
walls.
wall. So what, doors, windows, isn't it? So in Revit, isn't it? So in Revit, he knows what you're inserting, isn't it? When you make a wall, it is a wall. It is not just lines.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
specific about everything.
It is specific. Okay. Okay. This is first part of the story of Revit. Okay. There's something much higher than that. Okay. Let me just tell you hi, hello to Revit now. Okay. Can we start now? Listen. Let's assume. Okay. Let's assume. Which color do you want? Green. Which? Select a color.
Yeah, green or blue or black, but not pink.
Type. Okay. So okay. Then I'm sorry. Okay. Just can I rub everything?
Yes.
Because we have a lot of reds now. Type. Listen. We are talking about Revit. Any comments here?
No.
Type. I will tell you what is the full form of Revit in 1 second. Now 1 second means couple of minutes now. Okay. There is a full form for Revit. Do you know what is the full form of Revit? John, after you explain, I will tell you.
I think you did tell me, I guess. I'm not sure.
I gave the trailer. I gave the trailer, but then I did not continue. I remember that. Type. Anyway, does not matter. Okay, listen. Let's suppose we are in our old friend AutoCAD. Any comments?
No.
Okay, we are in AutoCAD, you are in AutoCAD, both of us in AutoCAD. Any comments? No comments. Okay, listen. Let's suppose I want to draw one simple house in AutoCAD. Okay, imagine this is my house. This is a floor plan. Can I just consider these as my floor plan? From top I'm seeing. Any comments?
No.
Okay. Okay, and this is a door. I'm just making a simple floor plan. From top I'm looking down. So let's say this is a top view. Isn't it? Any comments here?
No.
Okay, isn't it? From top I'm looking down. Any comment? Nothing. It's very clear, isn't it? Type.
Yeah.
Let's imagine that John and let's say you are here, both of us are here, and from here I am looking at this building. So what will be?
Yeah, from what perspective?
Yeah, it's called an elevation, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah, yes.
I'll be looking something like this. Any comments?
No.
Isn't it? So can I call this, let's say from here I am looking, so can I say this is the north view? From here, this is the north view, okay, north elevation.
Elevation. Yes.
Isn't it? Any comments? Oops. John, take it easy. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Any comments?
No.
Type. Listen, you're happy in AutoCAD. We could do this. Okay, can I just ask you another random question? Is this door and this door linked in whatsoever manner?
Yes, they are.
This is linked from our point of view, but in AutoCAD they are not linked. Yes or no? You will have to make separate drawings for that. Yes or no? I'm talking about AutoCAD. We are still in AutoCAD. We are not in Revit.
AutoCAD, yes.
Yes or no?
True. Yes.
Okay, let's assume, okay, this is just a joke, okay, just consider this a joke and do not take it as a serious, because sometimes John's jokes are not very funny, so just consider it as a joke.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm going to tell you continue is going to be a joke only, okay, you should, because sometimes I speak something which might hurt people. Anyway, listen, let's suppose you, not let's suppose, this is you, okay, your name is Fatima. Any comments?
No.
Right, okay, you are. Any comments? Tomorrow you will become, isn't it? Architect. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes and okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's suppose that this is going to be a good joke, okay? This is John and this is John's wife.
Okay.
Any comments? Mr. and Mrs. John. Okay, I have, for some reason, I have asked you to design my house. Okay, don't worry, I'm not drinking anything. Okay, I am completely normal, and I come to your, let's say, a firm and ask you, okay, Fatima, please, would you mind designing my house? Yes or no? Okay, both of us have a meeting, and we agree that my house will look something like this. Okay, this is my floor plan, let's say. Okay, this is what you did, in what you did in your AutoCAD just now, and this is your elevation view. You would say, John, this would look something like this. Let me just add more masala to this. I put one window here. So this window will look something like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is clear so far?
Yes.
Okay, type. We were happy, everything going smooth. suddenly disaster strikes. Disaster strikes means what? I think you know better, but for us it's always headache. My wife comes after the second meeting. My wife's come. Yes or no? She comes to fit the meeting.
Yes.
You know, so listen, this is a joke again. Okay, do not feel anything. Okay, this is just a joke. You know that ladies cannot, they can't decide once, isn't it? Their decision is a bit difficult. They like always to change. It's just a joke, okay? Okay. She says, you know what, Fatima, I like what you did, but I didn't want the door to be here. I want the door to be here. Yes or no?
Yes.
What you would say? Okay, fine, because I'm the client. You have to just keep shut. You have to change this, and you'll have to change this door, isn't it? Because it's an elevation view. Am I speaking sense or am I speaking nonsense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Isn't it? You have to, every view which you have drawn this door, you will have to update it.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay, so far it was good. You got your temperature slightly raised, but just shut up because okay, John is there. Okay, John, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, you are happy. Let's suppose only one door had to be moved. You just improved your vocabulary of, you get the understand which vocabulary, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
But then you just kept quiet and you did it for me. Okay, John, come on. No, John is my trainer and just, this. Okay. After 5 minutes, she comes and after you did everything, she said, you know what? It does not look good here. It is better if you would have just kept it. Not here, just keep it here. This happens, okay, really, this happens in real life, okay, this is just, you're just saying this is one small story, okay, but still, you said, okay, fine, you abuse her, isn't it, that's the story, this is called, because, it's hot, you can't help it, you can't help it, this is, who has to do it, you have to do it, for me, it's easy, for my wife, it's easy to tell, no? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Any comments?
No.
Okay.
It's clear.
So, now you had to change this, make a new door here, you had to rub it, make a line here, again same story, isn't it? You had to fix this wall, make it, isn't it? Let's suppose you had like this 20 doors. You won't be happy, I'm sure you won't be happy, isn't it?
Of course.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, we are still in AutoCAD. Any comments?
No.
Right. Now let's come back to our friend who Revit. Same story. Okay, this was like, this was called when you were a human. Oops, John, take it easy. No, this is not my mistake. This is the mistake, I think because there is a, on my pen there is a mouse on my pen. So that happens sometime. Okay, listen. Okay, this was when you were a human. You were using AutoCAD. Yes or no?
Yes.
You with me? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, you thought after some time you came to know that my wife is slightly a PIA, isn't it? Isn't it? So then you asked me, John, how do I handle your wife? I said, I give you a good suggestion, jump to Revit.
Revit, yeah.
You say, fine. Okay, fine. John, but my story is story, your wife does not keep changing. Your wife keeps changing her decision. I said, don't worry, you will be happy. Fine. Okay, and again back to the same story. Okay, we have a door. Okay, we have a window.
I know how it works, I guess.
Okay, and then this just one random question. Okay, we are back to AutoCAD. This one you had to draw.
No.
Okay, and this one you had to draw separately. Yes or no?
Yes.
Type. Now back to Revit. Okay, again same story. My beautiful wife comes and meets you. And she says, I don't want this door to be here, I want to be here. You said, don't worry, I will do it. You want to keep this door here also, I will do it. Don't worry. You give me extra options.
Yeah.
Why does it happen? Why do you do this? Because this view...
You change the front line, it changes itself.
Yes, this is called link. It is linked.
It's amazing, yeah.
Okay, but now let me ask you again another story. Every view, this is because this is a view. Okay, this is a view. And this is all views. Okay, all views. There are. End of the day, actually, you are doing a 3D model. Let's say something like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, end of the day, you are doing a 3D model, something like this. Okay. Let's say the door is here, and the window is here. Okay, any comments? So anything you change, if I select this door, every view this door is selected. Okay, this is just for your information. Okay, see, for some reason, okay, in your AutoCAD you don't have doors now. Okay, so just for 1 second we will come to my computer. I will explain this and we come back to your computer, because we want to teach you this basic. Any comments?
No, it's clear.
Isn't it? I think the introduction was good.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Right, I have some more things to be asked. Okay, before we come to my computer, before I say welcome home, okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, just one random question. Again, back to the question. Right, just one random question. Now, let's say I want you to answer now. Okay, John, can I use white? No, John, you're drinking, isn't it? Right, listen. Just one random question. Can I tell you something like this, and just tell me if it is right or nonsense? Okay, listen. I want you to correct me if I am wrong. I'm trying to tell you. Okay, can I tell? Okay, this is one revision. That means changing the door from here to here is something called as a revision.
Yes.
Are you sure? Do you have any comments on that? It's an N. Okay, it's not an M, isn't it?
Yes.
Revision. You have no comments whatsoever.
No.
Can I also tell if a revision is done in one view, it is instantly updated other way? Instantly updated. Other views automatically. Any comments?
No.
Right. Now, first part 1, part 2 of the story you clear. No, I have no colors now. Okay, use back.
Yeah.
Can I just put?
Orange.
Okay, orange. Where is orange now? This one? No, this looks not so good, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I use red for some time?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay, yellow, dirty fellow. Okay, yellow. On a white background, yellow is difficult to see.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Red.
Okay, listen. Can I just tell you just tell me if I am speaking sense or nonsense. Okay, if I put this much, okay,
Yeah, abbreviation.
okay, and I put this much, what do you get?
Oh my God, Revit, right?
Revise instantly. Welcome to Alien Planet.